Hi, I'm Tori. I'm here today at Molyneaux with Allison, who's a design consultant for Molyneaux, and we are standing in front of the sheet vinyl display. And there's been a lot of advances in sheet vinyl, so tell us all about them.
Sheet vinyl has come a long way from what it was in the 70s and the 80s. It is made to look very realistic. You can get it in a wood look, a tile look, even these like elongated planks makes it very modern. So it's not like that shiny, with like diamonds, and it is much more realistic now, and it is a great option for bathrooms and kitchens.
Right, so is it waterproof or it's just good for areas that get kind of wet, like a kitchen or a bathroom?
If you do get water on this, it is an easy cleanup. It's not going to ruin the product whatsoever. Durability, it is very durable. It just depends on the setting, but in a typical residential home, it will hold up very, very well.
Awesome. So if someone wants to look into getting this installed in their home, how can they get in touch with Molyneaux, and can someone bring samples like this to their home?
Absolutely. You do want to see samples like this in your home, again, against in your kitchen, against your cabinets, against your your countertops. But we can definitely personalize it to your taste. You can give me a call at 412-780-5867, and I'd be happy to get you a design consultant in your area, gather some ideas, and we can bring them right to you.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much, Allison. And if you want to see any more videos from Molyneaux, check out our Facebook and YouTube page.